The 2028 Mercedes-Benz E-Class represents the next evolution of modern luxury, where intelligent technology, refined performance, and timeless design come together in a way that feels almost futuristic, yet deeply familiar. This is not just a car anymore, it is a fully connected driving experience designed to understand you, adapt to you, and elevate every moment on the road. From the very first glance, the 2028 E-Class commands attention with its reimagined design language. The exterior carries a smoother, more aerodynamic silhouette, shaped by wind and intelligence rather than just styling. The signature front grille is now wider and more expressive, illuminated with a subtle digital glow that responds to the car's status. Slim LED digital headlights stretch like sharp eyes across the front, giving it a confident and futuristic presence, while the flowing body lines create a perfect balance between elegance and sportiness. As you move along the side profile, the design feels clean, minimal, and powerful. The flush door handles, seamless panels, and sculpted curves reduce drag and enhance efficiency, while large alloy wheels with dynamic patterns give it a strong road presence. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar connects both sides, creating a signature night identity that is unmistakably Mercedes-Benz. Every detail feels intentional, every curve engineered for both beauty and performance. Step inside, and the 2028 E-Class transforms into something even more impressive. The cabin is no longer just a driving space, it feels like a digital lounge. Premium sustainable materials wrap the interior, combining soft leather alternatives, open-pore wood, and ambient metallic finishes. The dashboard is dominated by a next-generation Hyperscreen that stretches seamlessly across the front, blending infotainment, driving data, and passenger controls into one unified interface. Artificial intelligence becomes your co-pilot here. The system learns your habits, understands your preferences, and adjusts everything automatically from seat position and climate control to lighting and music. The ambient lighting system reacts in real time, shifting colors based on driving mode, mood, or even outside weather conditions. It feels less like operating a machine and more like interacting with a living environment. In terms of performance, the 2028 E-Class is expected to push toward full electrification with advanced hybrid and all-electric variants. Instant torque delivery ensures smooth yet powerful acceleration, while the intelligent all-wheel drive system continuously adapts to road conditions for maximum stability and control. The suspension system scans the road ahead using predictive sensors, adjusting in milliseconds to eliminate bumps and provide a floating, cloud-like ride. But what truly sets this E-Class apart is its autonomous capability. In supported conditions, the car can handle highway driving with minimal driver input. It maintains lane position, manages speed, and even anticipates traffic flow using real-time data from its connected network. Yet, unlike fully detached systems, it keeps the driver engaged when needed, offering a perfect balance between control and comfort. Safety is taken to an entirely new level. Advanced sensor fusion, 360-degree monitoring, and AI-driven prediction systems work together to detect potential hazards before they even become visible. Whether it's sudden braking ahead, unpredictable pedestrians, or changing weather conditions, the 2028 E-Class reacts faster than human reflexes. The driving experience itself feels incredibly refined. In comfort mode, the car glides silently, isolating passengers from road noise almost completely. Switch to sport mode, and the character changes instantly. The steering tightens, acceleration sharpens, and the vehicle responds with a more dynamic personality, reminding you that beneath all the luxury, there is still a true performance machine. Rear passengers are treated like VIPs as well. Executive seating with full recline, massage functions, and personal entertainment screens transform long journeys into first-class travel experiences. Every seat feels like the best seat in the car. The 2028 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is not just about transportation, it is about redefining what it means to travel in luxury. It blends intelligence, sustainability, and performance into one seamless experience that adapts to modern life. And as the automotive world moves forward, This E-Class stands as a symbol of where luxury is headed next: smarter, cleaner, more connected, and more human than ever before. If this is the future of driving, then the journey has already begun.